Let's talk about how to improve our spoken English when nobody is there around or near to us. Now, speaking to a native speaker is one of the best ways to improve your English language. But what do you do if you don't have anyone and your best source of help is yourself? Well, not to worry. In today's video, I will be sharing my top 10 tips as to how you can improve your language when nobody is around. And also, I will be sharing a few bonus tips as well. Let's start learning. Alright, so many people are of that particular notion that you cannot learn English if you're alone. But let me tell you, no, that is absolutely wrong. You can still become a good English speaker even if you have just yourself. Alright, so here we go. The first thing that you should do is, that's right, talk to yourself. If you are preparing for an English speaking job or you are getting ready for anything to do in English, talk to yourself. Your body language can say a lot of words. That's why one of the best things that you can do is actually practice in front of a mirror. Watch your body language, look at your hand movements, look at your eyes, look at how you are actually interacting. When you do this, you will actually start focusing on improving yourself and you will feel less nervous, and that will also help you to concentrate better. In addition to that is my second point, which is using a mirror. We all know that mirror, mirror on the wall, right? Well, let me tell you, that can be useful very much. Whenever you can, take a few minutes out of your day to stand in front of that mirror and just speak. You can just randomly start talking about stuff, or you can actually select a topic, set a timer, and then speak on that for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. The point of this exercise is basically to improve your confidence in speech, watching your mouth, your face, your body, the way you speak, everything. This will make you feel a bit more confident. The third thing that you can do is thinking in English. Well, I totally understand that sometimes it is very difficult to think in English because every time your native language will be coming to your mind. But if you start thinking in your native language and then try to convert that to speaking in English, that's going to take a lot of time and it is going to be very hectic. So the solution here is to think in English. And you can do it anywhere. Try to use English when you are thinking about your day or when you are cooking or doing any of your daily chores. You'll notice that when you think in English, it will actually get easier for you to speak in English. Now, I've already done a video on thinking on English and how you can become a pro in that. So do check it out if you need any further details. The next thing that you can do is mimic TV programs and videos. For this, all you have to do is turn on your TV, okay, to any movie you want. It can be a movie, a TV show, or whatever you like. Mute it, okay, turn off the audio and just try to speak the dialogues of that particular actor. Sometimes you'll have to go fast, sometimes you'll have to go slow, but when you do this, it actually builds up your confidence. Now, I've played this quite a few times and I really like it because every time you'll have to keep altering your volume, your modulation, different words, and I get to learn a lot as well. Even if you are not a movie fan, it's okay. Try to do it for a sports show. Take any football or soccer match or cricket or whichever sport you want, turn off the commentary and you be the commentator. That's it, as simple as that. Now, hey, if you are getting some value out of this video, then you know what to do. Please make sure to hit that like button and let us know. Let's move on to the next one, which is sing in English. Don't worry, whether you are a good singer or not, it really doesn't matter. Because you know why? Because no one is there to watch you. Now, there are some songs that you might have heard and you like, okay? If yes, then all you have to do is write down that lyrics of that particular song. Or if you know these lyrics, fantastic. And then all you have to do is just sing that song. but please make sure that it's in English, because here the motive of the entire exercise is to learn the English language. When you do that, you will feel once again more confident, and that will help you to grow your confidence in speaking the language. The next thing that you can do is read out loud. What is read out loud? Well, very simple. You can take a newspaper, or you can take a storybook, or whatever you want, an article, whatever you like. Okay, just take it out, look at the article, and just read it loudly. Do this exercise around 5 minutes a day. I know we all are very busy with our work, but 5 minutes a day to improve yourself, that's very much needed, and it's just a little bit of time. Sometimes when you do this, this will actually help you to understand new words, especially words that are used in daily conversations. When you find out these words, don't worry, check out the meaning by using an online dictionary, or if you have got an offline dictionary, check it out, it's fine. But make sure you are reading it loud, understanding each word, finding out the meanings if you do not know it. The next thing that you should focus on is your English fluency and not the grammar. When you are speaking in English, it's quite obvious that sometimes we might stop thinking, oh, is my grammar correct? Or do I have to change my grammar here? Well, when you are learning the language, it's okay. Nobody really cares. Nobody is looking for that perfect grammar. The first step is to improve your fluency. Just speak. And then later on, once you have reached a particular level, then you can take some grammar crash courses to just find out how to correct the sentences. So for the starting state, just speak, speak, and speak. Focus on the fluency and not on the grammar. Now, before I jump on to any of my next few points, we would love to have you on our YouTube community. And for that, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, hit that little bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we drop a new video. And now the next thing is practice. That's right. There is nothing better than practice, and practice makes you perfect. Try to do this every single day. Now, it's very easy for us to get demotivated, but the more important thing is to stay on track. Practice every single day. You can, if you don't want to talk to a friend, it's fine. Record your own voice, but practice. If you're confused about the pronunciation of certain words, take out that word, put it on Google Translator, and get out the actual pronunciation of that word. Now, all of these methods can be used, but you have to practice. There's no point in doing it once a month and saying, oh, I've given up on this journey. No, you have to be consistent and keep practicing. And that brings me to the next point, which is show some discipline. See, it is literally, I wouldn't say impossible, but it's very difficult to become fluent in 30 days. It can even take a few months or maybe even longer than that. But that doesn't mean that you stop working on it. You have to be consistent. You have to show discipline. And only with that discipline can you actually achieve that particular task of being a fluent English speaker. Make sure that you spend at least 30 minutes a day to sit and practice all by yourself. And now, next thing is try to get feedback if possible. Try to talk to your friends who are there available with you, or your family members or colleagues or anyone who's there around. Ask them, how was my English? Or how is my English? Is it improving? Or is it getting worse? Always get feedback. Healthy criticism is very, very helpful if you want to improve yourself. The next important tip that you can do, this is my bonus and my favorite tip, which is speak to the customer support. That's right. There are many companies all around the world who deal with different products. Just pick up your phone and give them a call. Just talk to them about the products, the return policy, the prices, etc., etc. You don't even have to be a customer sometimes to call them. is just for general inquiry. And a majority of these companies will have good English speakers in the customer support. And trust me, they are very patient and they will not have any problem if you call them a million times. So just go ahead, pick up your phone and call a customer support and talk to them. Let me know in the comment section right below if you've got any further doubts in learning English or what you are actually struggling about. If you are looking for some guidance or some professional help, then we can help you. Log on to our website and feel free to sign up with us so that one of our expert trainers can help you out. If you want to get in touch with me personally, then all you have to do is, there is a contact form right below. Fill it up with your details and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Feel free to share this video with your friends if it was informative, and also check out some of our other videos. Till we meet again, this is your tutor, Noel, wishing you a fantastic day ahead. Ciao.